Hello guys, welcome back to the DomainRacer, and today we are going to show you how you can able to connect your domain with BlogSpot. Okay, so this video is extremely simple, and make sure that watch video first and then perform, because any mistakes will create an issue. So let's begin with the process. Very first, log into DomainRacer and navigate to a DomainRacer domain panel. And here you can just need to click here, and then very first visit name server section, and always make sure that here you have to set a default name server. Default name server means the actual name server of the domain provider, not the hosting provider. Make sure that you have to put here a domain provider name server. So if you don't know, then contact your domain provider and then fill this information and click on save changes. Then visit DNS management section. Make sure that without setting a default name server, you cannot go for the DNS setting because it won't work. Now click on DNS management. If you are not getting this screen, then you can able to purchase DNS management, but at DomainRacer it is free of cost. Now we are going to a BlogSpot, and from here click here, go to the bottom and click on new blog. Enter a domain name, exact domain name. So here it is the domain name, copy it and paste here and save it. So here I will enter some address and save. So our blog has been created successfully. Now go to the settings section and check for the section publishing, and here click on custom domain. Okay, before entering here a domain name, make sure that you have set a default name server. It is very important thing. Now click on save changes. Here you will get the error, and here always you have to enter like www.domainracer.review. Click on save. Now you will get this error. Now open this link in the new tab. Once the link open, now here we have to enter a 2 CNAME record as given in this instruction, and the first one is www. Go here and enter www, choose CNAME and enter the record. So here it is given, enter here and click on save. This is the first record. Now enter the second CNAME record, select here CNAME, and here name is equal to, it is given, you need to copy very carefully because it is the verification code with the help of CNAME. Here paste here, and here we need to add a address. Here it is the value, so don't miss a single letter. So here make sure that you are copying the right data. Copy it and paste here, click on save. So now we have added successfully a 2 CNAME record. Now we need to add the remaining part from these instructions. So here it is given the instruction. If you are buying a domain from Google, then you can follow this instruction. If you're not buying from Google, then you need to go with this instruction. We already follow the instruction as of now. Now we will move further for this thing. Here they had mentioned that we have to add these 4 A records. So this is the first one. Here you just need to select A record, paste here and save. Similarly do for the next 3 one. Here you can be able to see that now all the 4 A records has been added. It means our configuration completed, but make sure that still you need to wait for some time, because IP pointing and DNS changes may need 2 hours to 24 hours time. So you need to wait minimum 8 hours to get reflected all these settings. Okay, in that always make sure that name servers are updated very properly. Without correct name server, DNS will not work, and you cannot able to connect your domain with a BlogSpot. So make sure that always update name server properly, add the DNS entry properly as given in this video, and the one last thing is remaining. Go to the settings section, and here you need to click on save. But whenever you are trying to save it, sometime it will gives you error. So wait for at least 30 minutes and then click on save. So here you can able to see that we cannot update the setting. Try again. So in this case we need to wait minimum 20 minutes. Now the 20 minutes over and our domain is verified. The last step is remaining. Click on redirect domain on. Now, whenever you visit this website, it will automatically redirect to this one. It might take some time. If you wanted to check your domain, whether it is working or not, you can able to go to the screenshotmachine.com and enter here a domain name. So in this case, we are using a domain called as a DomainRacer.review. Okay, but on your machine, it might take some time. We already have told you it might take 24 hours. Look at this. Our domain is now properly propagated and configured with BlogSpot. So in this case, we need a lot of patience. So make sure that, so while doing a verification, wait for 20 minutes.